I have been a speech therapist for the past 16 years, and I have seen that cases of speech delay and autism are at rise. If a 2-year-old walked into my clinic, 2 year to 3-year-old walked into my clinic when I started my practice, and then they said this child is having speech delay, I could assure the parents that you talk more and to give simple speech strategies and send them home. Today, if a 2-year-old comes to me and if the child is experiencing speech delay, my immediate counseling is to talk about how to change the environment at home and to immediately start therapy. Now, why this shift has come in my practice is because we are seeing a lot of rise in cases and we are seeing children are not getting adequate stimulation at home. One of the major reasons that I see this is because of screens. We see that parents are often unable to handle children because of the change in the environmental factors. Earlier, when I was growing up and all of you were growing up, it was often seen that we were always in joint families and there were a lot of people who would interact with us while we were growing up. We didn't have distractions of TV or screen as much as we have today. And now we are all becoming nuclear families and the parents are often both working, which is not wrong. But the time that we are able to give to the child is becoming limited. And because the mother has to now cook and also serve things, the child is getting exposed to screen because that's the way the child can be safe during the times that the mother has work. Now, how can this be changed? So there has to be some guidelines that you need to follow for us to have good language developed. The first thing that is that under 2 years of age, zero screen time is recommended. I know it is hard. I'm a mother of a toddler. I often sometimes give, but I'm trying my best to correct it and not give screen. So I feel under 2 years of age, zero screen time will always help. The second thing is that from 2 years of age, from 2 years to 5 years, an hour of screen time, which is always co-seeing, or maybe not co-seeing but seeing it with the parent, where when the child is not completely watching the screen on their own but the parent is engaging the child while the child is using, can help. From 5 to 8 years of age, it is always recommended that the child gets 2 to 2.5 hours of screen time because now their homework is with screens. A lot of activities have to be done online because a lot of education post-COVID has also shifted there. So from 5 years of age, you really can't stop them to using screen because it is becoming the need of the hour. Even beyond that, a minimum of 2 to 3 hours, and it should be restricted. So if you are having a toddler at home, in the first 2 years of their life, don't give them any screen, because now there are studies that show that the vestibular stimulation is getting a big hit and the child is only getting visual stimulation, which is not good for the child's sensory system. So say big no to screen time and restrict it as much as possible. Thank you.